Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. And as always, I appreciate you hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. And in spirit for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip, we're going to be talking about 3 things your IT department would love for you to do before you contact them, because today happens to be Valentine's Day. So for this today, we're going to be talking about 3 things you should do on your taskbar that are going to greatly help your IT before you contact them. And the taskbar is the bottom bar on your screen that you can find all these areas. Now, the first thing you want to do is check what network you're connected to. It's going to look something like this. It might be a hardline connection or a wireless connection. And the reason you want to check what you're connected to is A, to find out whether you're connected to the internet or not. Because if you're not connected to the internet, it's going to show this. And that's one important step you should know before you call IT. Or if you're connected to the wrong network. Now, that can occur and can happen. And what I mean by the wrong network is sometimes you might just hit buttons on your keyboard and you might connect to your guest Wi-Fi. And that can cause a lot of issues. Let's say if you're trying to print something and your printers are set up on an internal network, you're going to have a printing problem because you're somehow connected to the guest Wi-Fi. So click on that Wi-Fi button or the network button at the bottom and verify what you're connected to and make sure you're selected and connected to the right network. Now, if you're unsure of what network you should be a part of, go ahead and give your IT company or IT department a call. Very important. The next one is right next to that is understanding what speaker you're connected to. Now, we have a ton of speakers that connect to our computers these days. It's very simple. Select your speaker button, and then you're going to click your up caret, and then it's going to give you all the options for you to connect to. That's the second most important thing, is understand where you're connecting to. Make sure it's the right headset, whether it's your computer, maybe a speaker you have on your desk, that you're hearing what you think you should be having your audio come from. And if you can't hear it, more than likely, it's just because you're not connected to the right speaker. And last but not least, the most important one is found in the Start menu at the very, very left corner of your taskbar, and that is restarting your computer. That is first and foremost one of the most important steps of any kind whenever you are having an IT problem at your computer. Refreshing, recycling, and clearing out that computer can fix 99% of all problems that occur inside of IT. Very common, and that's something you always want to do. And that could be the same with any device you're having problems with. Your printers, your scanners, anything that you are connected with, just simply restarting it can greatly fix problems that are happening, troubleshoot it, and allow you to get working more proficiently back and forth inside of your workday. So I hope those 3 things are very helpful to you. I know it's what your IT department, whether it's a company or your internal team, would love for you to do whenever you're reaching out for IT, is go through those simple steps. If you have any questions, concerns, want to learn more, or you have any IT problems that keep poking you in the side every day, we'd love to chat with you to see if Colorado Computer Support is potentially the right fit to help you out. Feel free to give us a call at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, have a great Valentine's Day. We'll see you next Tuesday, and thank you so much.